Guys, my name is Oma and I'm back for another video editing miracle and tool to help you create amazing videos. And I think for the first time in a long while, I might have struck gold because this particular app does it all. You can change the background of your videos like this to anything you want. You can use sound effects, you can use emojis, you can use GIFs, you can use every single thing you want. You can even beautify yourself, like make your face cleaner, color grade, do it all on this app. It's a miracle. It's that all-in-one video editing solutions for content creators to churn out the best high-tech #1 perfect videos for their channels or for their brands. And guess what? It's absolutely free, but it comes with a catch. So if you want to know more about this particular app, ensure you like, subscribe, share, and of course, guys, keep watching. My name is Oma. Now let's go.
When the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him.
So the name of this app, because I really don't want to just continue to pull your legs, I want to just go straight in and tell you guys about this app. This app is called Capcut. So good. Capcut. It's really nice. It's Capcut. You can create amazing videos on this particular platform, like for all of the things that it offers you. Yeah, it's ridiculous and it's free. You can even create subtitles, so when you're talking, you can just have everything you're saying running through all you're saying. You can change your background. Do you know how many times I've tried to change my background and I just can't change my background? But now I can change my background to whatever I want to change it with right from the app. You can fast forward, reverse, do any single thing you want with this particular app. It is just absolutely ridiculous that it is purely free. It's just accessible for both Android and iOS users to create and churn on amazing videos. So if you're a content creator, and especially if you don't have all of the big equipment and you do for that all-in-one thing, if you do for that one app, because you don't have a lot of memory, you just want that one app that will help you solve all of your editing requirements. Capcut, guys, it's the app for you. But the catch is, should I leave this at the end or should I do it now? Should I get you guys this? Because I don't know. But the catch is you need internet connection to create all of the videos that you're going to create on Capcut. If not, it's just not going to work. You're not going to use it to the best of what you can do with it. So if you can sacrifice Wi-Fi and internet to create amazing videos, then why not? You can do absolutely amazing things in this video. I'm going to be going on now to my phone so I can show you just how to use Capcut to its fullest form. You can change filters, guys. One of the particular ones I love to use is the black and white feature, but because I'm already trying to find my balance concerning my background, and I'm really liking this whole black themed look, I don't know if black and white will suit me, so I don't know. I might try that out, but I'm going to show you guys all the things that you can achieve on Capcut. It's intense, it's amazing, like it's wild, it's crazy that it's all for free. It blew my mind, guys, blew my mind. Now, if you use Capcut, or you know somebody who uses Capcut, or you've heard of Capcut, let me know down below in the comment section and let's start the conversation. Okay, now let's get started and head now to the video so we can see just how you can create amazing videos with Capcut. My name is Oma. Now let's go.
Hey guys, it's Oma here. So this is literally how the Capcut interface is about. Like, it is literally how it is. It's soft, it's smooth, it's just flawless and seamless. You can literally see everything you want to see. So basically, this is me editing the video that is going to go out soon, and it's basically about how to use Capcut and everything that it entails. Capcut is an absolutely divine editing software for content creators to churn out amazing amazing content on a daily. And I'm going to be running through some of the things that you can experience when you open the Capcut app. Now, just down below, you're going to see the edit button. That is you trying to edit the files, whether it's video files or what have you. You have the audio, you have the text, you have stickers, you have overlay, you have effects, you have filters, you have format. When you say format, is about, okay, so what dimension are you creating video and for what platform? There is the 9:16, which is literally like story format. There's 16:9, definitely YouTube format. Then there's the 1:1 Instagram post, and so on and so forth. So that is what the format's about. Then they have the canvas, what the background is about. You want to add color, you want it to be blurred. It's all left to your own particular perception or choice. Then for the adjust button, that's down below, you can literally color grade your files to suit whatever thing that you're trying to go for. So I'm just going to literally just shift it a bit and just see how it moves. So when that happens, you can literally just come here and adjust by dragging from, whether you want it from the left or to the right. You can drag it as much as you want to just select, okay, so what kind of filter, what kind of color am I trying to achieve with this content that I'm actually creating. I believe this is too harsh, so you can go for saturation, add a bit of color. If you have no color, you have a bit of color, just give it a good balance. For exposure, the same thing works for exposure. Whatever you want to do, you need to just strike that good balance with the files that you're creating. Sharpen your images with this particular kind of font and filter. There's also highlights. It all depends on literally what you want to do, and it just goes on and on and on, to temperature, hue, fade, vignette, and definitely grain. So it all depends on what you want to do. If you don't want to continue, like I am not going to continue, you can definitely just press the delete button here and it all goes. So another thing that you could definitely do, one of the things that I absolutely love doing right here on the Canva app, is to remove the background of the image. In this image, I had already removed the background of the image, and I created this video over against a black background, so you can necessarily not see anything. So one of the things I also like is the beautify icon, the retouch. So this is the original image. Let me just scroll, but let's use this one now for our beautify. So this just provides like a great beautify option, right? This is it with zero retouch, but you can see when it goes to get smoother, you can necessarily just see how smooth my edges are and how fine my face is. So basically there's not necessarily any much difference because I'm cute. So basically that's it. And one of the other things that I necessarily love is of course, using filters are a great way for you to add life, add texture, add emotion, add differentiation to your videos. Filters are amazing for you to use, and you can definitely explore some of the filters that the Capcut app has to offer. So there's also animation, there's volume. If you want to reduce or increase the volume, control the speed, fasten it or reduce it depending on your choice. I'll definitely advise you to explore the things on the app for you to actually make the most out of it. There's marks, you can use chroma key if you want to use green screen, opacity, clarity. You can definitely change the voice to dip. There's so many options for you to choose from. You can reverse, you can definitely freeze also. So overlays, so there are a lot of overlays that you can use, whether you want to use overlays from your own particular file, or you want to use stock images or stock videos from the ones that the app itself offers. It all depends on, okay, so what are you looking for your particular app. So for instance, if I want to change the background of this file, all I need to do is go to canvas, this canvas icon here. I press it, then it gives me this option. So there's the color background. I can use black, I can use any of this one that I want to use for the background, to give it that beautiful, colorful feel depending on my mood or whatever I want to achieve with this particular one. But if I want to go for a more, bespoke look and feel, I'll definitely choose backgrounds from here on out, and just choose different ones that I want to use. But then again, if you find yourself feeling that, some of the things that are already here I'm not feeling, you can go to your app and say, okay, I want to select this particular image or this particular content or this particular file to drive the emotion that I'm actually looking for with my content. It all depends on what your particular choice or preference is all about. You can just choose it and you can create an absolutely amazing video for yourself to use on your video. It all depends on your choice of file. Yes, so having said that, let me just go back to sound. Definitely there's so many sounds that you can explore here. It's absolutely insane. I have some of my favorites already, but you can have performance, laughter, fights. It just goes on and on and on. And the beauty about all this is that it's all for free, guys. It's absolutely free. You can also create sound from either your albums from your phone, or you can select sounds from the app itself. I have said this multiple times: do not use sound from apps. I don't trust them. They will definitely be flagged by YouTube. So you want to use sounds that you trust. Definitely sounds from the YouTube library. You will sleep easy if you use music from the YouTube library. So you can use sound from your own. Definitely advisable from the YouTube library, and create amazing videos. You can also record your voices and do whatever you want to do with it. It all depends on, okay, so what is your choice? What is your preference? How do you want to deliver it? There's also the text option where you can add text from file, to create content that you say, okay, what kind of text am I going for? What kind of text, what kind of effects do I want? How do I want this text to look like? So this is the text here, and I'm like, okay, this is the text that we're going for, yeah? So how do I want this particular text to look like? What is the look and feel that I'm trying to achieve with my text? There are other options. There's the bubble option. There is this, whatever option that you want, there's something for you. You also have text effects for you. You have the whole in and out. Then definitely look for you to the continuous animation for you to use that particular program with. Auto captions is one of the loves of my life. With auto captions, you can create automated captions direct from the video, and you have several languages to choose from. There's English, there's Japanese, there's Korean, and there's definitely Portuguese. So with auto caption, you could definitely create amazing things. This is how I create captions for my videos, because sometimes you can never necessarily trust the YouTube captions, because sometimes they necessarily don't get it. And the good thing about this one is that you can also edit the captions. You can change the font size. You can edit it so that what you're saying actually also immediately tallies with what is being written or is what is being shown to whoever is going to be consuming your file. Okay, it all depends on all of that. And it's also a great way. Another thing that you can definitely explore are stickers. So stickers definitely also help you bring your content, your video, whatever you're doing to life. And there are tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of amazing stickers for you to choose from right from the Canva app. So these are how the auto captions they look like. Just look at this. So you can look at the batch and see, okay, so what are all the things that I have to edit from here. If you find yourself saying something that you necessarily don't understand, or it doesn't necessarily flow with what you're trying to deliver, you can always edit it. Just click on this and edit it. Text it, and you can edit it on this bar. Change the effect, change whether you want to use a bubble, then your animation style. It all depends on what you want to do. Here you have tons of text style that you can choose from. Some are already downloaded, but you want to ensure that when you're choosing text font, you want to ensure that you're choosing something readable, and depending on the kind of content that you're creating, you want to either go for a playful, style, something like this, or something more, intense or serious like this one, but again, you need to ensure that it is readable. You need to ensure that whatever font that you're choosing is absolutely readable. You can always increase or reduce it depending on your particular choice or preference. You definitely want your consumers or your audiences to be able to read what you're trying to do with it. Then with this one, you can increase the spacing for it, or you can definitely reduce the spacing. At the end of the day, it all depends on ensuring that your audiences can read and understand what you're saying with your content. All right, anyways guys, this has been amazing creating this content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy using Capcut. It's an absolutely amazing divine app. I hope I can create something more and a more in-depth tutorial on how to use the app, but I can assure you that just by opening the Capcut app, you can definitely just dive right in and explore all of the things that it has to offer, and you will see just how amazing all of the things that the app offers, and it is absolutely free. Sometimes it might drain your battery, your phone might heat up a bit, but it is so good to use. Have fun, guys, exploring, editing, and creating absolute content that the world is literally waiting to eat it off. My name is Amma, and I love you to the moon and back. Mwah. Bye. See you in my next video.